Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter. The name of chapter is coordinate geometry. So this is unit number third or chapter number third of your syllabus in NCERT book. So this is lecture first for the coordinate geometry. So first of all, we should know what is coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry is that branch of geometry which sets up a definite correspondence between the position of point in a plane and a set of algebraic numbers. कि जी किसी पॉइंट की पोजीशन किसी प्लेन में एल्जेब्रिक नंबर की हेल्प से हम कैसे शो करते हैं उसकी स्टडी को हम कहते हैं कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. सो इन कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री वी यूज दिस टू लाइन. दिस इज द फर्स्ट लाइन एंड दिस इज द सेकंड लाइन. दिस इज कॉल्ड horizontal line. On horizontal line, right hand side we use x axis, left hand side we use x dash axis. Now this is vertical line. Now in this vertical line, this side we use y axis and this side we use y dash axis. So whenever we plot the value, then on right hand side of x axis we are having plus value, on left hand side we are having the minus value. In the same way for y, here we are having the plus value and here we are having the negative value. This is fixed in coordinate geometry. We can't change it. We can't write here plus, here minus, or here plus, here minus. No, it is fixed. This value for x is plus, this value is for y is plus. This value for x is minus and this value for y is minus. It is always fixed. If you interchange this, then you will not get the marks. This chapter also you will study in the 10th class. Then in coordinate geometry, horizontal line x axis, vertical line y axis. Now these two lines divide the whole plane into four parts: first, second, third, fourth, and each of these parts is called the quadrant. I mean, you can say this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. So in 1 mark question, these three questions are very important. First, what is the name of horizontal line? X axis. This is first question. Then what is the name of vertical line? Then y axis. What is the name of these parts in which these two line divides? Then it is called the quadrant. So these three questions are really very important. Now next basic is, whenever we want to plot the point on this coordinate geometry, then we use first value for x, second value for y. O is origin. I already told you. Now suppose I want to plot these 4 points. Here value of x 3, value of y 2. So this is 3 for x, this is 2 for y. I just draw one line on 3, 1 or 2, where these two lines intersect. I just put point and small circle. So this point represent 3, 2. Now I want to show minus 3 and 2, means x minus 3. So here x is minus 3, here y is 2. So this point will represent minus 3, 2. Now I want to show minus 3 minus 2. So this is minus 3 and this is minus 2. So this point will represent minus 3 and minus 2. Now I want to show this 3 and minus 2. So this is 3, this is minus 2. So this point represent 3 and minus 2. Means you can see when we change the sign, x plus, then x minus, y plus, y again plus, here x minus, again x minus, then y plus, but here y minus, here x minus, but here x plus, here y minus, here also y minus. Means whenever we change the sign of the value, whether of x or of y or both, then we can see that position of point changes. So what we can conclude from here, we can say that in first quadrant both x and y plus, in second quadrant x minus, y plus, in third quadrant x minus, y also minus, and in fourth quadrant x plus and y minus. Suppose any of the value becomes 0. Suppose I want to plot 0, 3. Then this 0, 3 will not lie on any quadrant. Means suppose I want to show 0, 3 or 3, 0. Now here value of x is 0 and value of y is not 0. So we will show it here 0, 3. And case is reverse, 3 is 0. Means value of x is 3, this is, and value of y is 0. So this point represent 3, 0. Means whenever one value is 0, then that value not lies on quadrant, it will lies on the axis. So 0, 3 will lies on y axis, and here 3, 0, this will lie on x axis. So this is also very important question. If both values are non-zero, then they will lie on the quadrant. If any of the value is 0, then that will not lie on the quadrant. If x is 0, it lies on y axis. If y is 0, it lies on x axis. This is really very important point. And suppose both are zeros, and if both are 0, then we can say that this is origin. So if both are 0, we can say this is the origin. Now next very important point, up to the 8 we study that first value is x, second value is y. Now in 9th class, x, the second name of x is abscissa, y, the second name of y is ordinate. So this is the basic of this chapter. Now we come to the first exercise 3.1. Here we are having only 2 questions. So you just read the question and you can see the answer at last of your book. And these questions are not very important. These questions are only given in the book to realize you that this situation can be applied in the real life. So tomorrow we will start the second exercise. Thank you.